Hi and welcome back to Unbox My Life. Today we have some garage service to do. One of my car is a Golf, a Volkswagen Golf Mk1. It's a 83, so it's the last generation of Mk1. I think 84, 83, the Mark II was out. But I have some cooling issues on that, and I can't find anything on YouTube how to change thermostat. So I think we should try that first. And it's so simple to change this, so I think I'm gonna change the thermosensor as well, and that is the sensor that starts the fan. It measures the cooling temperature in the radiator. So you need this sensor, looks like this. This is the thermosensor on the radiator. So we're gonna change this one because you need this to start the fan. And then we have a thermostat that will open and let the cooling water out from the engine and to the radiator. So yes, let's change these two, and I hope I don't have this cooling issues later on. So this is my Mark I Golf, and as you can see here, here you have the water pump, and the thermostat is below the water pump inside it. So you got two bolts here to release and then change the thermostat. So we try that out. To do this the easier way, just jack up the car and use some jack stands and take it from below there. And on this side you have the thermosensor. It's right there, and we're gonna change that one as well. And then you have the cables for the thermosensor, just connected there, and the fan. So I have new cables for the fan, as you can see. So yes, we try that. I have changed the thermostat. As you can see, you need to fill it up with cooling water. But first we're gonna change the thermosensor as well. Like that. The only thing to do now is to fill more coolant water, and then we need to try it and see if the fan is working and the thermostat as well. So here is the thermostat. It looks okay, but I don't know the condition on this. You can boil it and measure the boiling temperature and see if it open, but it's not so much money, so I just bought a new one. But this thermosensor, I think this looks kind of old, so I think this have been on the car for a long time. So I think this is the problem. It doesn't start the cooling fan to the radiator. So we should see if this works, but I think it works. And if you have any question about mechanics or cars, or this video and this car, just comment below so I answer as good as I can. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.